Hey guys, today I'm doing a guest tutorial on my mom's blog, Reality Daydream. I'm Paisley and I'm making these fun wooden rainbow scroll saw plaques. I hope you enjoy watching and making your own. Okay, so with your 1/2-inch plywood, you grab a pencil and draw lightly on your rainbow. If you make a mistake, don't worry, it's just a pencil and you can erase it. Now our lines are done and it's time for the scroll saw to do its work. Okay, now that our rainbows are drawn, we can start scroll sawing them. Even if you're scared of power tools, the scroll saw is a good tool. For beginners. Hey, buddy. Now that we have these rainbows cut, we want to sand them. Now you see these pieces of wood don't need sanding as much as the back sides. We do want to get this fuzzy part off, this rough part, and we're going to be doing that now. Oh, and this sanding page, we are just going to tear a bit off, and it's fine if it's like uneven and not a square, that's fine. And also the grit that we use is 220. And I hope you enjoy sanding. We can make 2 rainbows out of this one scroll sawed rainbow, and we're going to make them onto a plaque of wood, so they will be attached to that and won't fall apart. We're going to use the same sandpaper we used before and going to clean up the mistakes we made with the paint. Now that we're done with sanding, it's time for the fun part. With dust flying everywhere, it's time to glue these rainbows onto the boards. So the next step is to glue our bows onto this white painted backboard, and we're going to use this wood glue to glue them on. Okay, so if you have a book or anything close by that's flat, you can use it to line this up with so that it'll be perfectly flat and in the right place. If your glue oozes out at all, you can grab a paper towel and wipe it off quickly. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy your rainbows.